videos.
Oh my gosh.
What do you got? What are you getting? Oh, you got your pizza. Uh-oh. That looks really good.
Tony, what if anybody else wants to eat it?
No?
Can you look at Mommy? Can you look at Mommy? Say hi, Mommy.
Yeah. Hey, Tony. You got it. Nice. Oh, you dropped it. It's a bummer.
Tony, what if Michelle wants to eat some? What if Grandma wants to eat some? They're gonna have to go onto your plate and move these back over? Are you for real here?